Hey, this is Alifia coming back at you with another video, and in this video I am going to show you the items that I purchased on Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. Alright, so I did purchase from NYX, I purchased from Slapcap, Grace Elayé, and I purchased from Juvia's Place. Of course, the crayon case, and I've already hauled that. Well, my Juvia's Place order still has not gotten here yet, so I'm just gonna show you the Grace Elayé slap caps and my NYX order. So here we go. So Grace Elayé, the creator and owner of Slapcap, had the most fantastic deal. She usually has the slap caps when they go on sale, like buy one get one free. However, this time they were on sale for $12, and then they were buy one get one free. And y'all thought I was gonna pass that deal up? The devil is a lie. So let me show you the ones that I got. My hair's trying to hang low, baby. It's trying to hang low. So I got repeat colors. I got several colors, the same duplicates in this, because I purchased some for my daughter as well as I purchased some for my mom. And so yeah, let me show you what I did get. So I actually purchased two in this tan color. And all the ones I got them in a medium, which is the regular cap. I know she has a small and a large, but I got the original regular size cap. Oh, and I just noticed, I didn't notice this before, but these have the actual whole Grace Elayé written out. My other ones that I have just have the GE, the initials. It doesn't have the whole one written out, so that's pretty cool. And I have two in the color blue. Alright, and then I have two in this olive green color. I think the olive green is like so cute. And then I have two in this burgundy color. And then I actually have three in this blue. And the ones that I have three of, that's because I bought the third one for my mom. And then I have three in the purple. Then I only have one in black, and the reason why I only got one in black is because I got this specifically for my daughter, because I have a black one and my mom has a black one. And then I have one in the pink, and that's because I have a pink, so I did get this pink one for my daughter, so that's why I only have one pink. And then my items from NYX. And I wanted to go ahead and get this haul out the way because I want to put these things away. So the first thing I got is this NYX matte bronzer. This is the box that it came in, and the color is actually medium. And I've already been using this. I couldn't wait to do the haul, and it's actually what I've been using to contour. So this is the bronzer, and the color that you're seeing on camera, I'm looking at it, it is true to what is here. So it gives just the nicest little contour to my face, and so I'm glad I got this color and not the deeper color, because I was going to get the deeper color, which well, one more color past this one, and had I gotten that one, I probably would have looked muddy in the face. And as part of their little special for ordering, and I don't know how these are going to be, but I got these two makeup sponges. It says love you mean it on the back of them, so I don't know what it was, but something about what you purchase and you get the makeup sponges. So I got two of them, and my order wasn't even that much, so I don't even know what I did to get two of them. And then I got, actually, I don't know which one. Okay, this one I got free, this NYX soft matte lip cream. This came free as well, but I also purchased this NYX cream lipstick in the color Cherry Skies. And these right here, these liquid lipsticks, these liquid suede lipsticks, these are so good. If you've never purchased these from NYX, I suggest you try them. They are, or NYX, whatever you want to call them, but these are so good. I'm telling you, they are bomb. They are the best. So I'm going to actually swatch this. So that is what it looks like. Very pretty color. And to this one that I got free, there wasn't an option. It wasn't like I could just choose a color that I wanted. They just automatically gave you one, and so I don't know how they chose it. Probably gave everybody the same one. Yeah, this is something that I possibly will not be wearing. I don't know, it just depends on what I line my lips with. I bought some brushes from them. Now my favorite, these are like my favorite foundation brushes. I showed them to you before, and here it is. And this time, because this is my makeup brush, this is the, I mean, I love this makeup brush. This is like my favorite. And I did do the free engraving, and this time I got my name on this one. And then I got a second one, and I'm not gonna show you what I got on this one because, so this is my other brush. It's the same, so I got 2 of these. And then I could have sworn that I engraved these right here because I got 2 other brushes, but I don't know. I guess I didn't, but I thought I did. I thought I did. But here's just one little, found a brush just for the eyes. This is one of those that you just put the color on your eye with, like on your lid. And then I have another eye brush, and this one is a crease brush. I'm always in the market for a good brush to put some color in my crease really well. So that's what this one looks like. So that is it. That is what I got from NYX. And I forgot until I was just looking at my things just now. I did order from the Boxy pop-up store, so I'm gonna show you what I got from them. And then that'll be the end of this. They had this MAC blush. It's called Diva Don't Care. Now I think this blush was about $3 and something or whatever. That Boxy pop-up sale was an awesome sale. And so that's what this color looks like. It's like a dark burgundy type color. I just really wanted a dark burgundy type color. And so I got that. And then also from that sale, I got some of my favorite mascara, which is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I'm so glad they had that because I'm on my last one. This is like, I promise you, my favorite mascara. When it starts to get old, it starts to clump, but it does wonders for your lashes. And then I got one of my favorite lipsticks, and that is Ruby Woo. And this one was like, I think it was like $4 and something. I don't know, that Boxy pop-up sale was so good. And then it's in a red tube. If you don't know what Ruby Woo looks like, there it is. And let's swatch it. This is like one of the best matte lipsticks out there on the market, in my opinion. And then the last thing I got was this lip glossy. And this is this lip glossy, and this is from Kapari. It's a coconut oil lip glossy. And when I tell y'all, all of these things I got from Boxy pop-up were like 20 something dollars, like $29 or something. Kapari has some really good items, and their items are not cheap. So if you find Kapari at a good sale price, I say jump on it. Jump on it, because they have some really good items. So that is it. That's all I have for this video. So if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications every time I have a new upload. And if you're an oldie but goodie, go ahead and hit that bell as well. I also did hit the candle sale, Bath & Body Works candle sale, but I don't think I'm gonna haul them this time. But yeah, I did get in on that sale, so of course I was happy about that. I only got 10 this time, and I gave one to my sister, so I have 9 left. Yeah, I have 9 left. So, but yeah, so that is it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. And if there are any requests that you have, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. And until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.